since its inception, the Moleskine brand, we were born in the design domain, and we are partnering all over the world with the most important design week from Tokyo to New York, from Milan to London. This is the very first project where there is a relay inside a single notebook.
I think sketching is one of those things which is really immediate, and one of the most immediate communication tools you can have in any kind of creative practice. Everything from sort of communicating within a studio and with fellow designers, or on a client level and that kind of thing, and people's eyes light up when you sketch something in front of them. Sketching is quite a personal thing, but it's the really terrible sketches, it's the bits in the corners, the bits in the margins that aren't beautiful but give a clue to a construction or a direction or a language or something like that, and that's the really interesting stuff.
When we started, the very first idea was to offer a sort of portable atelier, so that you can go around and jot notes and capture details and so on. I think this is very important because nowadays we are all using our smartphones. Whatever we see, a detail which is interesting, we grab a photo. But it's very different if you go through sketching the detail or the idea or the word that something inspired you, because in this way you make a slower process and you can really select. One thing that is strongly part of our brand is this attitude of sharing and co-creating. And this is something that is wonderful, I think, also in the domain of education or art, because this is creating also a different approach to imagination and creativity, not so ego-centered, but more understanding that also, going back to design and projects, it's not the beautiful or the real special thing. It's more design is a system, is a process, is something is born from co-creation.